Is your home feeling colder than it should this winter? The problem might not be your heating system, it could be your windows. In this video, we're going to show you how to tell if your windows are keeping you warm and what you can do to stay cozy this season. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Winter weather can make any drafty window make your house feel like an icebox. But how can you tell if your windows are the problem? Well, today we're going to dive into the key signs that your windows might not be doing their job, and we'll share solutions to help keep your home warm and energy efficient this winter. Let's get started. Let's start with the signs that your windows might be letting the cold in. Drafts or cold spots? If you feel cold air around your windows, it's a clear sign they're not sealing properly. Check for drafts by holding your hand near the edges of the window or using a lit candle to see if the flame flickers. Condensation or frost. If you notice condensation between your window panes or frost on the inside of your windows, it's a sign of poor insulation or failing seals. High energy bills. Windows play a big role in your home's energy efficiency. If your heating costs are skyrocketing, your windows might be letting in warm air out and cold air in. Difficulties with operation. Hard to open or stuck windows can mean your frames are warped or damaged, which can lead to gaps where cold air sneaks through. If any of these sound familiar, your windows might not be pulling their weight this winter. Windows, like anything else in your home, age and lose their effectiveness. Here's why. Seal failure. Over time, seals around your windows can weaken, leading to air leaks and poor insulation. Outdated technology. Older windows may not have the same energy efficient features that we have today, like double or triple panes, low E coating, or gas-filled chambers. Frame damage. Materials like wood can rot and vinyl can warp, leading to gaps that let in the cold air. If your windows are over 15 to 20 years old, it might be time to consider an upgrade to keep your home warm and efficient. So what can you do if your windows aren't keeping you warm? Here are some solutions. Quick fixes for immediate relief. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal leaks. Install thermal curtains or window film to improve insulation. Number 2, long-term solutions. If your windows are outdated or damaged, replacing them is the best way to improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. While you're researching new windows, look for double or triple pane windows. These offer far better insulation by trapping heat inside. Low E glass coatings reflect heat back into your home during winter. Energy Star rated windows save on heating bills and improve overall efficiency. At Southwest Exteriors, we specialize in installing high quality, energy efficient windows that keep your home comfortable no matter the season. Still not sure if your windows are the problem? Well, if you're in the San Antonio area, schedule a free consultation with Southwest Exteriors. Our team will evaluate your windows and help you find the perfect solution to keep your home warm this winter. Not in our area? No problem. Drop your questions in the comments below and we'll help however we can. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on making your home beautiful and efficient. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.